Hello, everyone. Welcome to Be You. Do you want to sound more natural when you speak English? Do you want people to understand you easily? In this video, I will show you how to improve your accent in just 2 months. Yes, you heard that right. 2 months. I have a step-by-step guide for you. Each week, you will do small tasks to improve your pronunciation. Stay with me until the end, and you will have a clear plan to follow. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more tips to improve yourself. Hit the notification bell and let's get started. Week 1. Listen and imitate. This week, you will listen to native speakers and copy them. Find short videos or podcasts with clear pronunciation. Listen carefully. Here is the method. 1. Choose a sentence from a video or podcast. 2. Play it and listen carefully. 3. Pause and say the sentence yourself. 4. Repeat until you sound similar. Do this every day for 15 minutes. You will start noticing small changes. Here's an extra tip. Try using subtitles at first. Read along while listening. After a few times, turn off the subtitles and see how much you understand. This will help train your ears and improve your imitation skills. Week 2. Learn the sound of English. English has sounds that may be different from your language. This week, focus on these sounds. Here's what you do. 1. Find a chart of English sounds. IPA chart is a good choice. 2. Learn how to say difficult sounds. For example, the TH sound in think and this. 3. Watch your mouth in a mirror while speaking. Extra practice. Make a list of words that contain difficult sound for you. Say them every day in front of a mirror. Record yourself and compare it with native speakers. Practice daily. You will improve quickly. Week 3. Slow down and speak clearly. Some learners speak too fast. This makes their accent harder to understand. This week, focus on speaking slowly and clearly. Try this. 1. Choose a short paragraph from a book or article. 2. Read it aloud slowly, pronouncing every word. 3. Record yourself and listen. 4. Adjust and improve. As an extra challenge, try shadowing. Listen to an audio clip and repeat exactly what you hear, copying speed and pronunciation. This will make your speech clearer and more natural. Week 4. Focus on word stress. English words have stressed syllables. If you stress the wrong syllable, people may not understand you. Here's your task. 1. Choose 5 new words each day. 2. Check where the stress falls, for example, computer, not computer. 3. Practice saying them correctly. Extra trick. Use a dictionary that provides audio pronunciation. Repeat after it. This will help you get the stress and rhythm right. Week 5. Improve your intonation. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice. It makes you sound natural. Practice this way. 1. Watch English movies or shows. 2. Notice how the voice rises and falls in questions, emotions, and statements. 3. Imitate their tone while speaking. Extra activity. Find a dramatic scene from a movie or TV show. Act it out with the same energy and tone. This will make your intonation sound more natural. Week 6. Work on connected speech. Native speakers connect words. For example, what are you doing? Sounds like what ya doing. Try this. 1. Listen to natural conversations. 2. Repeat sentences using connected speech. 3. Practice with a partner or record yourself. Extra tip. Pay attention to contractions like I am becoming I'm or going to becoming gonna. These small changes make speech flow naturally. Week 7. Practice with tongue twisters. Tongue twisters help with clarity and speed. Try saying, she sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Repeat them slowly and then faster. This will make your speech clearer. Extra game. Challenge a friend or record yourself saying tongue twisters faster each day. See how much you improve over the week. Week 8. Speak as much as possible. This is the final step. Use everything you have learned. Speak as much as you can. Here's how. 1. Talk to yourself in English. 2. Join English speaking groups. 3. Have conversations with native speakers online. Extra task. Set a daily speaking goal. Talk in English for at least 30 minutes each day. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. Congratulations! You now have an 8-week plan to improve your accent. Follow these steps, and in 2 months, you will sound more natural and confident. Remember, practice is a key. Do a little every day, and you will see big changes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. Keep going, and you will see results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.